wanted to look at G-SRT.A.1, Worksheet 1. This really is kind of an introductory worksheet, and it's just getting you used to the word dilation and finding out what it is and some of the characteristics of a dilation. What happens when you dilate? So you're going to look at three things. You're going to look at length, so you'll use the distance formula to measure one length, dilate it, measure the second length, look at how they relate to each other, how do they relate to the scale factor. You'll look at slope. You'll use the slope formula to calculate the slope before and then the image's slope, the pre-image and image slope, compare them. You'll see a very important property of dilation come out of that. And then angles. We'll look at the angles of the original shape and then the angles of the image, and look at and compare them to see how they had changed or were affected by the dilation, or maybe not affected by the dilation. And so really we're looking at what is a dilation. Just quickly, the idea is we talk about a center of dilation, often used O, and then we have an object. Let's say it's a segment like this, segment AB. And we're going to dilate segment AB, and you have a scale factor. There's different kinds of scale factors, but let's just pick two for simplicity. The key of a dilation is that it dilates along rays. Things either move further away from the center or closer along each of the rays. So knowing that is a very important part of this. So let's say we had a scale factor of 2. That would mean it goes 1 to the original location and then 2, so B prime would be somewhere here. A is the distance of this, and then A prime would be double that, so here. And then you could connect A prime and B prime. They would be the image. We're going to investigate these angles. We're going to investigate the lengths. We're going to look at a number of things to look at what actually is taking place within that dilation. Very important. We're going to do a lot of calculations to make sure you have the ideas before we move any further. Good luck with this.